Yo, brother, you feel the vibrations this morning?
Vibrations? Oh, you mean the earthquake? Yeah, man, me feel it, man.
Close cover.
What?
Them catch you too?
You talk about catch me with what?
Brother, what is an earthquake, brother?
Yo, don't come. Hear me now, man.
Brother, there's no such thing as an earthquake, brother.
So what is there
It's a
then?
natural vibration of the
Hear
earth.
the
Don't
man
make them fool you.
Yo, me not call, let me talk about that this man, now, man.
Me not care. You know why the
Yeah.
earth did a shake you?
Me no know, me sure you about to tell me, don't.
Of course, I have to tell you because I can't have you walk up and down in the world stupid. Eh? You don't realize that from such man come out of prison, the earth a whip you.
I can't say you're gone, my youth.
And just because you don't study the earth, you don't see these patterns and them things them my youth. You know pre the changes in the earth, youth. Eh? My youth.
Dog.
From the man release, the earth not get no ease.
Bro.
At two vibration, the feeling in less than 2
Stop
weeks.
with the foolishness, Mike.
Eh?
My PX say I smoke some weed or coke or something.
Brother,
Something wrong with
you
it.
need to smoke no weed to get them level of vibrations you're feeling, brother.
Bro, something wrong
Me
with it,
know
my
what's
youth.
going on the earth. But you feel like say Jamaica only get one goal at the
No, hear me now.
Olympics,
Don't go
youth.
down the road there, my youth.
Eh?
Don't go down the road with the
Sacrifice.
Hear the man about sacrifice.
It's a sacrifice, youth. You're not pre the levels.
Bro. Stop the foolishness, man.
Brother, pre this to me, brother.
Pre what?
Why you think the man wear 2 kerchief and forward?
Me no know, but me sure you about to tell me again.
Of course, me I go school, yeah. Brother, the man wear 2 orange kerchief.
Okay.
What is orange?
Me don't know what is orange.
Orange is sweet
Okay.
and orange is sour. So if orange sweet and it's sour, and you live at Jamaica,
Yo.
what that mean?
Me don't know what them. What?
What the people them say, youth?
Yeah, I know.
The people them say what sweet, yo.
Bro.
When sour, yo.
Bro.
And this sour we are see right now, youth.
Bro, me I got hang up.
Eh? My youth, you not pre the thing on a
Bro, me
deeper
I got hang up,
levels.
my youth. Me I got hang up.
You need to pre the
Bro,
thing
me I got hang up. Me I
on
got
a deeper
hang up.
levels, youth.
Me I got hang up.
Wake up.